Smart bookkeeping for Santa Barbara wineries. Cut costs in 2025. Running a winery isn't just about crafting the perfect bottle. It's about managing costs and maximizing profit. Smart bookkeeping is your secret weapon to uncover hidden savings, optimize tax strategies, and open doors to growth in 2025. Are you ready to gain control of your winery's finances? Streamlined financial tracking helps identify unnecessary waste and overspending. Tailored bookkeeping solutions analyze expenses to reveal surplus areas where spending can be reduced without affecting quality. This ensures more resources are available for innovation and vineyard growth. Smart bookkeeping offers real-time financial clarity, helping pinpoint profitable activities while managing underperforming ones. With expert tax preparation and financial consulting customized for wineries, owners can maximize their bottom line with ease. An efficient bookkeeping system builds resilience against market uncertainties. By staying financially agile, wineries can reinvest in high-growth opportunities and future-proof their success, thriving in Santa Barbara's vibrant wine industry. Don't leave your finances to chance. Take charge of your winery's future with smart bookkeeping solutions today. Contact a professional financial advisor to learn how tailored services can unlock savings and growth for 2025. Your path to lasting success starts here. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video.